In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free AI avatar videos with Synthesia. We're keeping this simple and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know how to find Synthesia, start a project, pick a template, add your lines, and generate a polished AI avatar video without paying a cent. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Synthesia. You're looking for the official Synthesia site. It should appear at the top of the results. Click through to the site. This ensures you're using the real platform and not a lookalike page. Once you're in, go to the Create option. This takes you into the video builder where all the magic happens. If you're seeing a dashboard with recent projects, that's perfect. Create will start a new one for you. Next, choose a template and click. Use template. Templates give you a strong starting point with layout, text placements, and timing already set up. Pick one that matches your goal, maybe a short announcement, a tutorial slide, or a simple talking head format. If you're unsure, choose a clean, minimalist template. It's easier to customize and looks professional across social platforms. You can typically adjust colors and text later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect right now. Now add your script. Keep it conversational and concise, as if you're talking to one person. Breaking your text into short sentences helps the AI pause naturally. For this demo, I'll paste a short motivational script. You're capable of more than you think. Take one small step today and watch how momentum builds. Start now. Your future self will thank you. If your template has multiple scenes, distribute your lines so each scene has a clear point. When your text looks good, click Generate. Synthesia will create the voiceover, sync it to the avatar, and render a preview. This can take a moment, so let it process. While you wait, double-check your spelling and punctuation. Small tweaks can make the voice sound more natural. If the interface prompts you, click Generate again to confirm and start the final render. This step locks in your choices and produces the finished video. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it's done, your video will appear in your account, ready to preview and share. That's it. You went from a blank page to a complete AI avatar video with just a few clicks. Try different templates next time, and keep your scripts clear and focused for best results.